This is Drone Delivery Revolution. In this video, we're going to talk about from packages to people. I found some clips of different delivery services that we can kind of take a look at and give you an example of, hey, what does drone delivery look like? The first one I found was Zipline Drone Delivery. They're able to bring packages like medications to your doorstep and stuff like that. Just small bags that can be delivered at any time, random to any location that you may see. The next I found was DoorDash delivery by Wing. They're able to put your Wendy's or whatever food that you order and drive it over the city, fly it, and drop it into your doorstep. What do y'all think about that? Would you eat something that's been in the air, maybe cold? I found Flytrex as well. They're able to deliver packages to your doorstep with GPS coordinates. So let's take a look at that. Be able to look at your address, put it in your bag, maybe your small groceries and stuff like that, and put it right into their delivery package and bring it to your doorstep. So today we're going to talk about current applications of drone delivery. We're going to talk about there's Amazon Prime Air, there's also UPS Flight Forward, and there's also Winged Alphabet Inc. So these are the companies that I found that are off the ground in their pilot programs or actually starting to do deliveries depending on the location. But each of the programs I've found, they're kind of trying to figure out a way to be efficient and also not take away from the normal deliveries that we are having. So this is just the current applications that I found for drone delivery. We can take a look. So what's the benefits of drone delivery? We're talking about faster delivery times. So drones can help out with when there's traffic backed up and there's an urgent need, or that actually reduce the cost of operational costs for delivery and transportation methods. Think about how much gas you have to put into a car to drop off this one box of deliverables or one bag of groceries and things like that. So we're trying to be efficient and effective, and drones are being used as a benefit to deliver certain items. Also, there's increased efficiencies, minimizing environmental impact. So think of it like this. One of the best ways to be able to think of it as an alternative is medical supplies. So if you need rapid response, so drones be able to bring those emergency situations. It's critical for medical supplies. They've been used in cases in Africa or different countries around the world to show the benefits of having drones for medical supply transport, and it reduces transportation costs. And it also be able to reach remote areas where the terrain may be difficult to get to, or there may be a disaster or affected region. The definition of last mile delivery. So one of the things I came across is that when I was doing research is last mile delivery. So what is last mile delivery? In the terms that I found, last mile delivery is critical because it's the last stage of getting the package from the distribution centers to the customer's doorstep. So it's like the final leg of delivery. It's also the most challenging and most expensive due to the complexities of navigating your local neighborhoods and ensuring deliveries are on time. Think about your Amazon packages that are being delivered to your house. You may track it to the shipping facility, but you notice that it's at the shipping facility for 2 or 3 days. So it's in your city, but it's not at your doorstep. So this is a way to kind of streamline that last step of the process of delivery. Disaster and humanitarian aid. So think of a disaster for search and rescues. Drones can be used to deployed to get a survey of the area. The roads may be flooded where you cannot get to it, so drones would be an ideal way to capture an assessment, as well as do mapping of the area of disasters or the affected area. That way, you can't reach certain people. You're able to locate that specific address by air instead of on the ground due to floods or any natural disasters that's blocking wildfires, anything like that that can be able to get to it. So drones can be an alternative way to reach for disaster relief. Also, delivery of aid supplies, food and water, just being able to airdrop kind of like what helicopters are doing now, but just being able to do it in a more expedient, hard to reach area, more faster way. And Red Cross as well as being able to use drones in disaster areas for response operations and rescue missions. Drone delivery beyond packages. Think of air taxis. This thing I found was Uber Elevate was kind of great to kind of figure out. Oh, Uber's already jumping upon this air mobility. Think of commuting for air taxis. Just way to improve different ground transportation and tourism. As far as being able to show you what the landmarks are, kind of like what helicopters do now, but in a more efficient, streamlined way. And also event transportation. Think of it as a festival or sports game, concert, be able to leave traffic in the parking lot, just jump in an air taxi, and be able to get to your location. So the future trends are expansion of drone delivery, integration with other technologies. Also, it's addressing the hurdles of safety and security. And the opportunities for the future is the growth of air mobility and new business models. So hopefully this video will give you an idea of what to expect, what to think about in the future, and how you can take and position yourself to be a part of this expansion of drones and other technologies beyond drone delivery and air mobility. Other than that, thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.